Hey guys, it's your girl SiSi Rose. I did a live on Facebook, so this is my tutorial on my Facebook of how to do a smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoy. You will see me speaking a little bit in the tutorial, but that's just because it was a live. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you comment and subscribe. I thank you guys for watching. I do apologize for me having to take a break and walk away, but I hope that you guys like the tutorial. The tutorial and the live. I hope that you guys fell in love with the smoky eyes just as much as I did, because I love the smoky eye. I love it. I don't know what it is about the smoky eye, but it just has like this hint of sexiness. Like, it's just so my favorite. I just love it. I can't explain what I love about it, but I do. I love this smoky eye look. So if you guys want to kind of follow along, I did also record the video. So I think I might have to use some of this for my live, because my camera ran out of memory. I mean, not of memory, of my battery died on my camera. But I did record it. It is going to be somewhere where you guys can look at it and rewatch it if you want. I'm going to post it on my YouTube channel. I hope that you guys actually enjoyed it. I am a little dull, y'all. I can't help it. I'm a dull person, and when I'm focused, I'm focused. So I do apologize that I don't talk as much when I do my tutorial. I will definitely try to talk a little bit more to engage you guys. This is my first time doing this. I just wanted to share something that I love, because I love makeup. Like, makeup, people go out and buy clothes and go shopping and things like that. I go and buy makeup. That's my piece. That's what I love to do. So I like sharing it with you guys. I never thought about sharing it until a lot of people kept telling me to give them makeup tutorials or teach them how to put their makeup on. So that's really why I started the page, because people wanted me to do that. And then I did also at one point want to do makeup and, you know, be a makeup artist, but there were so many people in my family that was doing it, and I just did not feel like, I didn't want to step in nobody's territory, basically. But I did want to share this because so many people have been asking me how I do my makeup and what's the steps to it. I literally just go and play in makeup. That's literally what I do, and I'm playing in makeup with you. So it's actually fun. I've been busy, so I do apologize that I haven't had as much time to do tutorials with you guys. But I decided that I wasn't going to go to summer school this year. So the summer is going to be full of videos, full of lives. I'm dedicating that to myself, to my business, to my brand. So I am going to do it on Mondays. I think I'm going to do tutorials every Monday after my final exams, because my final exams have to be out of the way before I can like guarantee anything, because I have to pass my school classes. So just work, classes, and then my hair business, and then starting this and the YouTube channel. It just kind of got a little hectic, and I didn't have enough time to do everything that I wanted to do. So some things that I felt were more important I had to do, especially also being in a relationship. It's a lot. And so I do apologize on my part for not being consistent with like live videos and things of that sort, but I promise I'm going to try to do at least a video every Monday, and we're going to try to do a little bit more fun things as well. Not just me. I want my family members to shine too. There's so many gifts out there that people should definitely do it. So I'm hoping to link up with one of my friends that does makeup, and we're going to do a little special thing together. So that will be fun. So yeah. Again, thank you. Please share, please like, please everything. But literally, if you like this, please share it. Please get some people to actually follow the page, because I'm going to do more looks. I'm going to try more things. I am venturing out to color, but I just had to do a smoky eye because I've been wanting to do a smoky eye for like, and so I don't know, maybe I'll do a get ready with me when I'm doing like a date night with my boyfriend, so you can see like how I dress up my smoky eye with like an outfit. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Actually, it's Thursday, so you only have Friday. I hope you guys go see Avengers, the Endgame. I am definitely going to watch that. So I guess everybody have a great weekend, and Tell me what you think about the video. Bye.